Hi, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. In this video, I will be talking about the major biomes of the world. What is a biome? A large naturally occurring community of flora and fauna occupying a major habitat. For example, forest and tundra. Types of forest. Number 1. Deciduous forest. Deciduous forest comprise of trees with green leaves that undergo color changes and drop during winter or autumn. Examples of such trees are oak and maple. Both these trees are found in northern eastern United States. Number 2. Evergreen forest. Evergreen forest comprise of leaves that stay green all year long. It is found in Pacific Northwest, in Canadian province of British Columbia and US of Washington and Oregon. Example of such trees are fir tree. Number 3. Tropical forest. These are rainforests that have high amount of rainfall every year. The trees contain leaves that have broad structure. Example of such tropical forests are Brazil's Amazon rainforest near equator. The tropical rainforest contain more than half of the world's biodiversity. Number 4. Coniferous forest. Coniferous forest comprise of trees with wooden cones and needle-like leaves. These wooden cones are responsible for the reproduction. So these are reproductive structures. Coniferous forest comprise of the tallest trees that are coast redwood and the largest trees that are giant sequoia and oldest tree that is bristlecone pine. Number 5. Mixed forest. Mixed forest comprise of both kinds of trees, that is, trees with needle-shaped leaves and trees with broad leaves. Example of mixed forest is Eucalyptus of Australia with trees like beech. The second major biome is grassland. Grasslands are flat and open areas where grasses are dominant type of vegetation. These are found on every continent except Antarctica. Climate plays a major role in type of grassland. The climate may be cool or mild. Such a climate is found in northwest Europe. Here, the vegetation is of tough type. Grasslands contain plants such as oats, that thrive all year. Some grasses are tough and hardy, hence considered weeds. The second type of climatic condition is warmer climate. Such a climate is found in temperate grasslands. Here, we have seasonal vegetation that survives better. Prairies of North America to the veld or rural grassland of South Africa are known for such warmer climate grasslands. Tropical grasslands are called savannas. These are usually found in pretty dry environment and are known to survive warmer climates. The most famous savanna is found in Africa, that is Serengeti National Park in Tanzania. Savanna grasslands are of 3 types based on the size of grass. One type of savanna contains long grass, the second one contains intermediate grass, and the third one contains short grass. Grasslands are more important for milk and dairy production. The third major biome is tundra. Tundras are areas where trees growth is difficult because of minimum temperature and short season. Vegetation is limited to a few shrub, grasses, and moss. It has approximately 1,700 species, which is not much than a grassland and forest. It is divided into two types, that is alpine tundra and arctic tundra. In alpine tundra, the forest vegetation is separated by a tree line. It can survive two harsh and cold climates. The weather is snowy, cold, and windy. Example of alpine tundra is Tibetan Plateau, which is also called the roof of the world. It is located in Tibet, China, and India. Here you can find animals like mountain goats. The second one is Arctic tundra. It is found in the northern hemisphere. Here the landscape is frozen and bare. In summer, it is permafrost. Example, Russia and Canada. During summer, these melt and allow some plants to grow in. Here we can find animals like polar bears. The third major biome is desert. Deserts are areas with very low precipitation and a high rainfall. These areas receive an annual precipitation of 10 inches per year. These have high temperature during day and low temperature during night. The soil is often sandy, rocky, or gravel-like. The plants show xerophytic adaptation. Xerophytic adaptation refers to the adaptation taken by plants that are found in very high temperature areas that have very little amount of water. Example of such plants are cactus. There are many animals or many vast amount of biodiversity that is found in desert areas. Examples of such biodiversity of animals include snakes, lizards, etc. These are nocturnal and usually come out during cooler time, that is during night. The largest known desert is the Antarctic desert. Yes, you heard it right. Even ice deserts are also considered as deserts because these are barren lands with a high cold climate. So the Antarctic desert is the largest known desert. There are ice deserts with rocks that is covered in sheets. Example, lice. The fifth major biome is ice sheets. Ice sheets are areas with no vegetation at all. It is a large sketch glacier ice that covers the land all around. It covers more than 50,000 square kilometers or square miles. Currently, there are only ice sheets that are found in Antarctic and the Greenland. These are important for research by scientists because these helps the scientists to keep a check on pollution. Points to be noted. Greenland ice sheet was once thought to be permanent, but now it is melting away. It is because of fast-paced pollution created by mankind. The volcanic eruption in Krakatoa, Indonesia, can be located and dated by the distinct air bubbles in the Antarctic ice sheet. Another point to be noted is polar caps are not ice sheets. These are ice shelves. Thank you. If you liked my video, don't forget to hit the like button and do share with your friends. It would be a great help for you as well as for them. What would you like next? Let me know in the comment section below.